Hello, lovely family on YouTube. Today I have a new project that I just finished and I just wanted to come on and share her with you. I made this cute little doll, and this is the first attempt that I made with this doll to make one of the dish towel holders. So I've done them with gingerbreads and snowmen, but never done like an actual little doll. So this is her. This is what she looks like. She has two pigtails, and I gave her a little button nose. It's a 3D nose, and she has bead eyes, and she's holding, of course, 3 little gingerbreads there. And she has a little apron that you can also take off. And here is the dish towel. So yeah, I think she came out absolutely adorable. I will be listing her in my Etsy shop, so please head down there if you are interested. That is Heavenly Treats for you, number 4, letter U. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I will make another one. It depends how this one does. So yeah, let me know what you think. And what I used was a recycled CD, and then of course the acrylic ring to hold the dish towel. Yeah, I think she came out cute. If I do another one, I think I'll paint the face, the whole face this time. I kind of like painting the face, and this one I just did with like marker pen. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please leave a like and thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And yeah, leave a nice comment. Let me know if this is the sort of thing that you're into or not. I love my gingerbreads. I am a fanatic with gingerbread. So to make a doll is kind of like, but yeah. So this is what she looks like. And I will be listing her as soon as I'm done uploading this video. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.